Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we'll be changing the spark plugs in this 2016 Honda Civic LX. Now first we need to take off 1, 2, 3 and 4 10mm bolts to lift this engine cover off. Lift the cover off like this. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and take this rail off. You just push this clip and this rail will come off. Now we'll disconnect each individual connection from here. So you just push at the end here and then connector should come off. There you go. Okay, now to take our ignition coils out, there's a 10mm bolt on the side holding it, so we're gonna take those off. Okay, now we can just pull our ignition coils out. Just 1, 2, 3, number 4. So to take the spark plugs out, in this car we need a 14mm spark plug socket with an extension. There you go, that's one of the plugs. Same thing, we're gonna go ahead and open the second one. Break it loose, and then open the rest by hand. Second one, we're going to do the same thing for the rest. Okay, for the new plugs I'm using these E3 plugs, and the gap for this should be 0.044. Checking the gap here. Okay, so to put the new spark plugs in, I'm gonna put them in the socket and then slowly lower them in the couple backward turns, and then hand tighten it until it's nice and snug. Same thing for the other ones. We don't want to drop them because they can break easily. Okay, I've set my torque wrench to 16 foot-pounds. So we're going to go ahead and torque the spark plugs now. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put the ignition coils back. Just push them until they click. I'm going to go ahead and put the 10mm bolts back. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and connect the connectors. Push them in until they collect. And put this rail back in. There you go. Now we can go ahead, put our cover back in. And then put the 4 bolts. There you go. Thanks for watching.